Millions of people online are talking about one viral drink, the so-called internal shower. But what is it really? A magical detox, a simple fiber trick, or just a TikTok fad? Today, we'll uncover the science behind this trending drink and why your gut might thank you for it. Let's pour it out literally. This drink got its name from a popular functional medicine practitioner, Dr. Darryl Geoffrey. He likened the drink to an internal shower because it can help you flush out toxins from the body. Since he coined the term internal shower, countless viral testimonials have surfaced claiming that it helped them with bloating, constipation, a flat stomach, and even more. So, does this drink live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's take a look at what's inside. This recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 glass of water, and the juice of half a lemon. Now, you may be thinking that the lemon is doing all the cleansing, but that's not quite true. Sure, it gives the drink a nice, fresh flavor and a little boost of vitamin C. But when it comes to giving your insides a good clean out, it's mostly the chia seeds doing the heavy lifting. Chia seeds are small, round, and packed with fiber. In fact, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds contain about 10 grams of fiber, which is more than a third of the recommended daily intake. But not all fiber is created equal. Let's break down the 2 types found in these tiny seeds. First, there's soluble fiber. This type of fiber dissolves in water and forms a thick, gel-like substance. This gel can help soften your stool and make things down under easier to pass. It also slows down the absorption of sugar, which helps prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Then there's insoluble fiber. This type doesn't dissolve in water, but it adds bulk to your stool and speeds things along in your gut. Studies have linked both types of fiber found in chia seeds to many health benefits, including improved bowel regularity and reduced cholesterol levels. So how do these fibers work together to give your gut a refreshing cleanse? You can think of it like this. Soluble fiber has a sponge-like quality. As it absorbs water, it expands in your stomach. That stretching motion sends signals to your brain that you're full. This can help prevent overeating, especially since it takes longer for the gel to leave your stomach than other foods. Insoluble fiber also helps keep things moving in your digestive tract, making it easier to have regular bowel movements. As for the lemon, its acidity can stimulate bile production, which helps break down fats and aids digestion. It's a nice addition, but really, it's mostly there for flavor. So while it's called an internal shower, it's not like water running through your pipes. There's no literal scrubbing of your intestines. Instead, think of it as a mini colon scrub. It's a simple drink that can help you add more fiber and water to your diet, both of which are super important for keeping your digestive system happy and healthy. Does it do all the amazing things some people claim? Probably not. For example, while it can help relieve constipation thanks to the fiber and hydration, there's no magic detox going on. And although some people swear by its ability to flatten their stomachs, any weight loss is likely due to portion control. Taking in fewer calories throughout the day because you feeling fuller for longer can lead to fat loss over time. Also, a recent study found that eating chia fiber for 12 weeks led to improved bowel movements and a feeling of abdominal well-being. But everyone's gut microbiome is different, so results may vary. That said, there are some potential downsides to consider. Most people tolerate chia seeds just fine, but taking in too much fiber all at once can cause gas and bloating. Also, if the chia seeds aren't soaked properly, they can expand in your throat and cause choking. Finally, no one food or drink can replace a balanced diet. People with swallowing issues or gut sensitivity should also exercise caution. With these things in mind, who can benefit from an internal shower? Well, anyone who struggles with a low-fiber diet or irregular bowel movements may want to give it a try. It's also an excellent morning drink to kickstart your day and promote regularity. Just remember, while this drink can be a refreshing addition to your routine, your gut health is built meal by meal. Now, if you're curious, try it, but don't expect any miracles. Sometimes a trend can actually teach us something important about nutrition, and in this case, it's that fiber and hydration are powerful tools for gut health. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more science-backed health breakdowns.